In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to crop videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first is that we have some footage right here. So let's say that we would want to crop this. The first method that I'm going to show you is the most traditional way that you could do this here in Premiere Pro, which is going into the Effects tab. If you don't have the Effects tab, you can just go into Window and make sure that you have Effects checked. And from here, just search for the crop effect. Drag it into your clip, and then you should have it here under effect controls. And now you can increase the values to customize the crop just like so right here. And basically you can do it in all four directions, which is top, left, right, and bottom. And if you don't want this, then there is also another way. If you would want to crop the whole video or the aspect ratio of the whole video itself or the sequence, is that you would want to go here into sequence right here. In the top left, click on sequence settings, and then you have the frame size. So let's say that we would want this to be vertical. We would want to crop this into a vertical format, like for example, 1080p vertical format right there. So that would be 9:16, and click on OK. And click on OK again. And then there we have it. We have now cropped the video or the frame size of the whole video itself. So that's another way for you to crop this. And now lastly is that you'd be able to crop the video by scaling it. So go into your video, go into effect controls, and then just scale this according to how you would want to place it in a frame right here. But this would only work if the video would cover the whole frame by itself. So yeah, those are the three options that you'd be able to crop your videos here on Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.